Hi, Henderson Remodelers. I am actually reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could make a big difference. I spent some time reviewing your website, especially since you are getting traffic from Google Ads, and I want to share a few ideas on how we can turn more visitors into actual customers reaching out to you. Right now, your phone number is on the site. It's right it's right on the bottom. It's here. Yeah, and which is great, by the way, but it's not always easy to visitors to spot right away. Sometimes it's tucked away or only on certain pages. For someone who is ready to call, especially in an emergency, they should not have to hunt for your number. What I'd recommend is adding a sticky header or footer that keeps your phone number and email visible no matter where someone is on the site. Plus, make those clickable on mobile means people can just tap and call or email instantly. I also noticed that there isn't a chat feature. Adding a chat widget can really boost engagement because it gives visitors a quick, low pressure way to ask questions or get help without having to pick up the phone or fill out the form. It's like having a friendly assistant ready 24/7. Now, speaking of the forms, I have it here. Yeah, this is useful. And the simpler we make the form, just the essentials like, yeah, you have here the name, the phone number, and the email, and a quick message. Yeah, the quick message, that is good. Yeah, the more people will actually fill it out so easily if the form is just like this. That's good. Think of it like a checkout line in a store. The faster, the easier it is, the more customers complete the purchase. That's how fast it is. Fast it is. Also, adding some testimonials or certifications near your contact info can really help build trust. When people see that others have had great experiences with you, they're more comfortable reaching out. And of course, we want to make sure the site loads quickly and works perfectly on the phones and tablets because most people browse that way these days. If the site is slow or clunky, people just leave. So, to sum it up, let's make your phone number and email pop and keep them visible all the time. Add a chat widget to catch visitors who want quick answers, and add some trust signals near your contact points. And optimize your mobile and speed. Yeah, if we tackle those, you'll see more calls, emails, and chats coming in, and that means more leads and sales. So what do you think? Would you should we start prioritizing these changes to get the most out of your website traffic? Think about it. So yeah, I actually almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie and I work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We specialize in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their websites into lead generating machines. I hope you found these tips helpful, and we offer a free strategy call to help you implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. If you want to book a call, just reply, "I'm interested," and we'll book a time on the calendar to call back. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye for now.